Namaste parents. If you are worried about your child's studies due to this corona pandemic period and in online classes, then don't worry. This video is only for you. My name is Ashish. I am faculty of maths in Avanti Learning Centers. In this video, I will describe that in last 4 months how we are taking all our online classes, how we are operating our different operations such as exams, test discussion sessions, etc. And in the end, I will discuss about our parents-teacher meeting. Now, at present, we are using smart board or smart writing pad for our online classes. We are writing each and every steps clearly in this smart pad such that students can feel that they are already studying in classroom and they can see each and every steps as we are writing on blackboard only or whiteboard. Now, after each and every step, we are asking students that is this sum clear or not. If students write in chat box that yes sir it is clear, then and then only we are moving to next question. If any student is having problem in any question and if he or she requests us to sir please repeat those questions, so first we are going to repeat that problem and then after that only we are going to move to next question. Even to make class more interactive, in between we are picking up any student, unmuting them and asking them to tell us different formula or concept which we have taught them in previous classes. We are suggesting students to make different books, formula book and regular book for each and every concept. We are telling them how to prepare that. And to assess whether they are making this correctly or not, we are assigning them different homeworks on Google Classroom. We are assessing them all of their homework from them. We are keeping track of students in terms of both attendance as well as homework. If any student fails to attend any class, you will receive SMS for that. And if any student is not able to submit his or her homework on time, you will receive email notification for that as well. Even we are not only teaching these lessons in our class, but we are making sure that we can also teach them different life lessons that we were teaching them in our offline classes. As well as we are interacting with them different problems that they are facing and we can provide solution to them. Such as during my interaction classes with junior class, they were facing problems of eye. I have given them eye exercise. And my interaction with 11th and 12th science students, I found that they are facing difficulty in time management and various stress level problems. So I have given them charts, different charts for time management and how they can release this stress and can achieve as maximum as possible or can perform as maximum as possible in their studies. Even after completion of each and every chapter, we are taking online exams of each and every chapter. After this online exam, we are taking test discussion sessions. If I talk about junior class, class 8, 9, 10, 10, we have finished almost 4 chapters in each one of them. Even after finishing those chapters, for 1 week continuously, we have taken revision and doubt solving classes. Even for class 10th and class 9, this last revision and doubt solving of Adi Sharma classes will last till 3 to 4 hours. For class 10th, I have started my class at 5 and ended near 7:30 to 8 pm. And for class 9th, I have started my class at 3:30 and I have ended it at 7 pm. Even we have taken subjective exam as well for these students. We have corrected their answer sheets with the help of DocHub and we have provided these corrected answer sheets through you on the mail provided in Google Classroom. And if I talk about senior students, class 11th and 12th students, after each and every chapter, we are keeping a separate session for previous year JEE Mains doubt solving. After this session, students are giving exam and after giving this exam, we are taking test discussion session. Even for class 11th and 12th, our these online classes are more better than our offline classes. Why? Because last year in offline classes, we were not able to take previous year question and test discussion sessions. But now, due to online classes, You won't believe that for class 12 students, we are not only taking previous year and test discussion sessions for class 12 chapters, but also we are taking for class 11 chapters. Yes, students are giving exam of class 11 chapters also alternatively. So this is how we are operating from class 8 to class 12. Now, we are going to take our parents teacher meeting online in this week. So I want to see you all of there in our PTM sessions. In PTM sessions, I will discuss with you how students are performing in our class, and I will like to hear from you how they are doing there in home. We will discuss few problems of students, as well as for junior class students especially, we will discuss that from their answer sheets, what are the common mistakes they are making, and for each and every this mistake, how they can improve in upcoming days or upcoming months. And for 11th and 12th science students, based on their MT, how they can change their plan for upcoming months and they can score much better. So this is all from my side. If you want to know all details of our online lectures, you can check my YouTube channel. As well as if you want to know more details about myself, my academic background, my experiences and my projects, you can check my Google site. Thank you.